Hey guys, Killer 21. Well, got some good news. I got something in today that I promised I would do for a video. Also, I'm here to say, with the YouTube shit going on, making it so your channel can be deleted if you do not show your face. I mean, I partially showed my face, but I also want you guys to know who's behind the Mix King, Who's posting them. So, here we go. Hello. My name's Robert Foley, and I'm the guy who made this Killer 21 channel 6.5 years ago to this day. I'm the person who made these videos. Hi guys. So I said I would do Airsoft. Well, come look at this. You're gonna see a thumbnail that's already gonna show this, but might as well show you. So, got the Airsoft in. Unboxed one already, just to make sure it's working. Everything. You boys, here's what I got. Well, a little gaming chair that I make all my videos in. You know what? I'll just stand, because I'm new to this shit. I'm making, like, vlog videos, so. Also, if you want to know when my channel began, it was 2013, November 2013. That's how long I've been in business. And here's what we got today. Refurbished Uzi, baby. AEGs. I got dual Uzis. 2 of them. I haven't test fired them yet, but I'm doing that today. That's going to be in another video for you guys. But Uzi full safety. Got the stock that comes out, of course. I fully charged this one last night. For firing today, I'm going to charge the other one. But yeah, I'm the guy who's been behind this channel. I've only had like 50 subscribers about for most of the years. I mean, I'm very grateful for you guys. Like ever since I got the Mix Games videos and started uploading them, it's just been a great help. I mean, I really want to thank you guys for, coming out and supporting me, but 90% of you are not like subscribed. I've checked my analytics. Like, come on, guys. I mean, if you're gonna come and go and watch videos, of mine, why don't you just subscribe and maybe hit the bell button, see what I'm gonna do next? I also like people to give me, things that I could do. I know I can cook. I know I'm getting into Airsoft. I know I'm getting a bike soon for moped videos, if you guys want that. I really want people's feedback. I'm one of those people. But yeah, I mean, I'm the guy who's been doing this shit forever. I mean, thank you guys for all your support. I will have a test firing video coming out soon. Killer out.